In this video, we'll show you how to link our DUOX Plus Wi-Fi video door entry system with Alexa. This way, we'll be able to receive calls to our door from our devices linked to Alexa and open our door with voice messages. To do this, we'll need to have an account in the DuoxMe app already configured with our home, and an Alexa-enabled device with or without a screen, such as the Echo Dot, Echo Pop, or the Echo Show. We open the Alexa app and go to Skills and Games. Search for Fermax or DuoxMe, and the Fermax DuoxMe skill will appear. Access it and allow it to be used. We'll be redirected to a DuoxMe login form, and we will log in with our account to link it with our Alexa account. This way, Alexa will search for the devices associated to our Wi-Fi video door entry system. For each paired home, we'll have up to 3 accesses. In the case of having an access, that means a door, Alexa will discover a lock, a doorbell, and an F1 device. Depending on our type of home and number of accesses, it will discover a different number of locks and doorbells. Here, Alexa offers us the possibility of assigning a location to our devices, such as the office. The Alexa speaker or smart display will notify us when someone rings our doorbell with a voice announcement saying that a visitor was detected. We go to Devices at the bottom and Accept. In the Alexa app, we access the doorbell type device of our door and will enable the doorbell detection notifications so that we receive the call notification from our video door entry system. In the lock, it will allow us to open the door from the Alexa application itself or by voice commands. To do this, we'll have to go to the door settings and activate the Unlock by App and Unlock by Voice options, and enter a 4-digit PIN that will be used to confirm the opening action. In this way, by saying, "Alexa, open the name of our lock," in our case, Office Hallway, we'll be able to open our door whether they call us or not. Alexa, open Office Hallway.
What's your voice code for Office Hallway?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Unlocking. Hang on. The Office Hallway is unlocked.
That's all. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.